CheckPoint is a leader in cybersecurity. Our CEO actually invented the stateful firewall more than 30 years ago. We provide cyber solutions to enterprises and companies globally around the world.
At CheckPoint, we offer a broad range of network security offerings, from email security to endpoint security, cloud protection, and of course, firewalls. What we've done with Managed Firewall as a Service is come up with the state-of-the-art network protection on our data center grade firewalls, put it inside of an Iron Mountain data center, and deliver that network security by way of a network cross-connect in the Iron Mountain facility, and then manage it for the customers with our professional services team. Iron Mountain provides a secure physical environment for their customers with network connectivity, power, air conditioning. What Managed Firewall as a Service provides is network security that integrates seamlessly with that physical infrastructure to provide a comprehensive offering for Iron Mountain customers. Another unique benefit that Managed Firewall as a Service provides is scalability. Some of the small organizations may only need a very limited amount of network protection, but as they grow over time, they may need to scale up rapidly. Instead of having to go out and buy a new firewall, all they need to do is contact Iron Mountain, scale that service up, which can be done in a matter of hours as opposed to weeks.
We were looking for a strategic partner that would allow us to take an idea from concept to completion and truly develop a unique value offering that would be adopted by our collective customers to secure their environment.
Iron Mountain prides itself on it being a secure co-location facility. CheckPoint partnering with Iron Mountain really created value add for the customers, because now there's the physical security partnered with state-of-the-art network security that CheckPoint can provide. The partnership between CheckPoint and Iron Mountain will yield immediate benefits to our customers. We'll be able to provide comprehensive reports showing all vulnerabilities the customers are exposed to today. Our professional services team will work with the customers to migrate existing policies onto the Managed Firewall as a Service, and then do policy changes, upgrades, adds, moves, and changes so the customer doesn't have to deal with that anymore.
The experience in working with the Iron Mountain team has been incredible. We're always putting new ideas on the table that we can collectively come to market with.
CheckPoint is a very happy customer of Iron Mountain. They provide us great service, they're very responsive to everything that we ask for, but more importantly, they've been a great partner for CheckPoint.